Computer, I'm here.
Gusto mo bang ma-experience ang ganitong room? Then watch this video. Hi guys, this is Jeric, and today's adventure, punta tayo sa Hotel Sogo, Davao. Samahan niyo akong i-experience ang AI services ng Hotel Sogo. Una na dyan ang self-check-in kiosk. Pumili lang ng room, check-in time at bayaran either GCash, cash, debit or credit card. At picturean ang QR code or i-print para i-scan sa room. Para i-guide kayo sa inyong room, sasalubong sa inyo ang AI Robotic Receptionist. I-tap lang ang number ng room nyo at i-guide niya kayo papunta sa inyong room. Once na mag-confirm siya sa room, i-tap nyo ulit para bumalik siya sa kanyang main position. Para makapasok sa room, iscan lang ang QR code na pinicturan mo sa kiosk. Now, welcome to Regency AI Concept Room.
Computer, I'm here.
Let's do the room tour dito sa Regency AI Concept Room. And here's how AI Concept Room works.
Computer, turn off the lights.
Okay.
At eto ang exciting part.
Computer, romantic time on. Computer, romantic time off. Computer, turn off the lights. Computer, close the curtain.
Okay.
Computer, turn on the stars.
Okay.
Computer, change color blue.
Okay.
Computer, play songs from Ariana Grande. Computer, play songs from Taylor Swift. Computer, listen to the latest news.
Here's the flash briefing from CNN. Hello, from CNN. I'm Apollo Detail with the 5 things you need to know for Friday, March 1st.
Computer, open YouTube.
A U.S. official told CNN the military is working to carry out the airdrops in the coming days. They'll bring some relief to those on the ground.
Computer, movie time on.
Okay.
Let's do a room tour sa Deluxe AI Concept Room.
Computer, I'm leaving.
Thank you for staying at Hotel Sogo Davao. Hope you enjoyed your stay.
Kung gusto nyong i-book ang room, Hotel Sogo AI Concept Room rates. For deluxe room, it's 500, good for 3 hours. For Regency room, that's 650 for 3 hours. For more inquiries, bookings, and reservation, visit hotelsogo.com and contact this number. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to follow for more adventures. Bye-bye!